Welcome to Animal Adventure World. Today, we're exploring the wild world of land animals. From the fast cheetah to the strong elephant. These amazing animals live on grasslands, forests, and deserts all around the world. Are you ready? Let's go! Lion. Lion, the king of the jungle with a mighty roar. Tiger. Tiger has stripes that are all different, just like fingerprints. Elephant. Elephant, the largest land animal with a super strong trunk. Giraffe. Giraffe, so tall it can eat leaves from the tallest trees. Zebra. Zebra, its black and white stripes help it hide in grass. Kangaroo. Kangaroo hops around with a baby in her pouch. Panda. Panda eats bamboo almost all day long. Koala. Koala, so sleepy it can nap up to 20 hours a day. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus loves to splash in rivers to stay cool. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros has a horn made of the same stuff as hair. Cheetah. Cheetah, the fastest animal on land. Leopard. Leopard climbs trees and rests on branches. Gorilla. Gorilla, big, strong, and gentle with its family. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee, very smart, just like humans. Orangutan. Orangutan swings from tree to tree in the rainforest. Sloth. Sloth, so slow that green moss grows on its fur. Bison. Bison, huge and strong with a furry beard. Buffalo. Buffalo loves muddy baths on hot days. Camel. Camel stores fat in its hump for long desert trips. Horse. Horse, fast and strong, a great friend to humans. Wolf. Wolf howls at night to call its pack. honey and sleeps through the cold winter. Deer. Deer has beautiful antlers and runs gracefully through the forest. Rabbit. Rabbit hops quickly and loves munching on carrots. Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Its fur turns white in winter to hide in snow. Wow! We met so many incredible land animals today. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun animal adventures. Thanks for exploring with us. See you next time, little explorers.